something new to have for brunch or for breakfast, these cheesy eggy bagels are absolutely divine. You have to make them. So line a tray with parchment paper, and then you're going to add a drizzle of olive oil. Cut your bagel in half, and then you're going to sprinkle some mozzarella or cheddar cheese. Put 2 small eggs into the 2 holes, and then you're going to sprinkle with some chili flakes into the air fryer or the oven. I air fried at 180 Celsius for 6 minutes. Teenagers in your house, you're going to want to make these taco crunch wraps. So grab a large wrap and you're going to add some sour cream mixed with hot sauce, some taco mince, and then I use some chili Doritos because they're the favorite in this house. Some salsa, guacamole, cheese, some jalapenos. Then you're going to place a small tortilla on top. Then you're going to make sure that everything is squashed inside. Then throw that onto a dry hot pan. Toast it on both sides until the cheese is melted in the center. Then it's all lovely and gooey and delicious. It's yummy. It's so good. They'll be very
breakfast, but when I do, I'll make this chili oil scrambled eggs on toast, and I'll have it 5 days in a row because I'm obsessed. I've said this once and I'll say it again: if you're not cooking your scrambled eggs in chili oil, you are missing out big time. And you guys have been asking me how I do my scrambled eggs, so let me tell you. I like to get my pan really hot and then turn off the heat once the eggs let the residual heat would do the cooking, but also prevent overcooking. But obviously you can keep the heat on for a bit longer if you want it fully cooked, and then you can leave it in the pan while you smash up your avocado and spread it over your toast. And that's it. Super easy, and probably the reason why I never order avocado toast in a restaurant, because I can do this at home.
You're nothing but an ex, expired, exit from my life. An ex, expired, exit from my life. I don't need your love, I don't need your heart. Was poison from the start.